Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about if you're having an issue with your vehicle right after it's been repaired. Nothing can be more frustrating, and obviously quality repair facilities do not want this to happen to their clients. But today we're dealing with technologically advanced vehicles that often can not show symptoms during final test drives and inspections, that something pops up later. So today what we're talking about, you'll see all different kinds of electronic items here as far as that goes, but basically what we want to help you with is if you have a concern. Number one, if you pick up your vehicle and you have a concern and it's a drivability concern, get yourself to someplace safe. Get off the freeway, parking lot, etc. You and your family's safety is the number one importance when it comes to that. Number two, reach out and contact the facility that repaired your vehicle. Let them know the concern you're having. Most of us, like I said, especially us as the West Automotive Group, want nothing more than you to be satisfied and taken care of properly. So we're going to work on getting you back in to make sure and get your vehicle re-inspected and make sure that you're repaired properly if something like this does happen. Number two is get the vehicle back in, explain what happened, give them an opportunity to make it right. That way, you end up with a quality repair on your vehicle. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.